Imagine this. Learning is as easy as breathing. No more cramming. No more "I'm bad at math" excuses. Today, we're diving into a world where any skill is just a brain zap away. Let's go. Schools? Gone. 10 years of study? Nope. Just zap. You're an expert. Need to fix a car? Zap. Write a symphony? Zap. But here's the catch. Wait, knowledge doesn't mean skill. You can know how to play Mozart, but your fingers might still fumble the keys. So what's the point? I'm a lawyer. Now, I'm a ballet dancer? Wait, how do I pirouette? Jobs would be a free-for-all. Companies might hire multipotent employees, like a designer who's also a chemist. But without experience, could this backfire? And what about jobs that need practice? A pilot can't just download how to handle a storm. So maybe instant learning isn't the cheat code we think. Cool, but why does this feel empty? When anyone can be a prodigy, hobbies lose their grind. Would we even care about talent? Or would we crave originality instead? Without struggle, does mastery lose its magic? Maybe we'd start valuing unique ideas over technical perfection. Instant learning could fix inequality. Imagine everyone accessing elite skills. But would we drown in too much information? Or worse, get lazy? If effort becomes optional, do we lose grit, perseverance, the thrill of figuring it out? Here's the thing. Humans aren't hard drives. We're messy, creative, and stubborn. Maybe the struggle to learn is what makes ideas meaningful. If we skip the journey, do we lose the story? The oops moments that lead to genius? Maybe the best world mixes both. Zap the basics, but take time to master and understand. Knowledge is power, but wisdom is how you wield it. Knowing isn't doing. Now, let's try again. So, would you hit that learn everything button? Let's argue in the comments.